Origin K near Sevilla with Christian. Actually, you come from Berlin, right?
Yeah.
Coincidentally, we found a German here. And yeah, would you like to introduce yourself? What are you doing here, and in which kind of facility are we here?
All right. So I'm Christian. I'm an R&D project manager from Abengoa Solar, which is quite a big solar company. And over here we're at the Plataforma Solar of Abengoa Solar, which is the, let's say, practical playground with loads of commercial projects in the solar branch with different solar technologies and several R&D projects as well. And well, I mean, what you see over here is are several technologies. These are parabolic trough solar plants. They concentrate sunlight to heat up thermal oil, which drives the turbine and generates electricity. And there's solar towers and photovoltaics as well. So we have all kinds of solar technologies over here. And generally in this platform we're supposed to produce 300 megawatts in the future, and there's 182 already operational.
Oh.
So yeah.
So it's
quite a bit.
Science and commercial mixed.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Well, and I'm the R&D branch, managing R&D projects pretty much. So developing further the technologies towards higher efficiencies, lower costs.
Yeah. So everybody who has seen this movie Sahara, do you know it?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Is it?
That's exactly that kind of technology. It's the big solar tower with heliostats, they're called, the big mirrors with 120 square meters each, concentrating on the tower top. Yeah. So it's quite warm up there.
I guess so. Was it in development when the film came out, or did the people that made the film just knew about it, or was it coincidence?
Well, it probably got inspired by the solar tower plants in the US. And during the 1980s, there were several projects which inspired the movie.
Okay. Okay. And how hot is it up there? Do you know?
Well, if you wouldn't cool it, it would definitely burn the tower. So it easily reaches over 1,000 degrees if you don't cool it. But since the receiver gets cooled, it maintains the temperature of 350 degrees. Yeah. Because you know.
Okay. And over there we saw just the mirrors on the floor. When we go at the left there, is there a tower to be built, and the mirrors are already on the floor, or don't they need a tower?
Well, I mean, what you probably saw were the big commercial plants with the parabolic trough technology. Yeah. They're 50 megawatts each, and they don't work with the tower. So the tower is like competing technology, and it's supposed to be the technology of the future because you can reach much higher temperatures with them and much higher efficiencies thus. But the commercial, you know, the parabolic trough plants are right now the most commercial technology and the most bankable technology. So banks consider them as low risk since they are operational since the 1980s in the United States already.
Okay. And what do you expect in the future? What would be the leading technology then?
Well, I think it's definitely going to be the towers with different working fluids that allow higher temperature. So you would probably use molten salt, molten metal, and air as a working fluid to directly drive the turbines. That's the most promising approach right now.
But it only works in this really hot regions of Europe, or could we use something like this, I say, on Helgoland?
Well, actually in Germany there's one of these towers in Jülich, near Cologne.
Oh really?
Yeah. 1.2 megawatts thermal, I think.
Oh.
And it's working more or less. So you actually need direct sunlight. So you need to see the sun for those things to work. Okay. Because with diffused sunlight, like you have in Germany, when the sky is cloudy, you can't use those because they have to concentrate direct sunlight. So that's why in Germany you normally use photovoltaics, because those things work with diffused sunlight as well. So in Germany I would say photovoltaics is the better approach.
Okay, and as you are in R&D, is there something you already can talk about which is really a view into the future of producing energy from solar, from the sun?
Yeah, well, I mean, like I said, I would say the solar towers will be the key issue. Probably multiple towers, much bigger than those, and with multiple receiver cavities.
Yeah,
that's I think that'll be the next step.
Okay, great, thank you.
All right, no worries.
Thank you very much.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
you're welcome. So much fun.